Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your inventory on your accounts on Roblox. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click privacy and here you will find it. Click on it so you can see your inventory and click everyone, and as you see it will be saved. And that's it. That's how to make everyone can see your inventory, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.